Hello friends, welcome to our channel Technology. Today I am going to show you how to make the liquid hand wash using ingredients present at your place. Here's a list of ingredients which you require. A brand new soap or a used soap of your choice, but I would suggest a disinfected soap like Dettol, Lifebuoy or Sawaalon. But the choice is completely yours. You would need a grater, empty liquid dispenser, a bowl which can contain 1.5 liters of water and a glycerine. Let me take you through the procedure. Grate the soap to a finer pieces. Take about 1.5 liters of water, boil it down for a few minutes. Add the grated soap to it. Stir it continuously till the soap completely melts down. After a few minutes, add 2 spoons of glycerine. Allow it to cool it down. The glycerine will help you to keep your skin moisturized. And after a few hours you can see your liquid hand wash is ready. See how easy it is. Pour it to the dispenser and start using it. Let me also give it a try. You can see it's giving out the same lather as of a commercially available liquid hand wash. Hooray, it is ready. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Technology.